Siya po ang talent, ako vlogger lang. We are also hiring for a vlogger.
Okay. Let me know you. Talent is different from artists. When you say talent agency, it's very big different from artists. And we are the artist agency. Kahit carpintero pwede, kahit electrician pwede, kahit gardener pwede.
Oh yeah?
Okay. Vlogger pa kaya?
Vlogger pa kaya? Sige, let it be.
Okay. In fact, I am the, diyan kita ng scenario.
Ano, pukutin mo na natin.
Oh, pabalikin mo na dito yung pinsan mo, ano.
Para maintindihan tayo. Angel.
Si Angel.
Okay, nakasama pa tayo.
Ako yung taga Marikina, boundary ng Marikina, Kupang, Antipolo.
Okay, very good. So, we, kasi you are in Metro Manila area.
So, supposedly, pero boundary kami ng Antipolo.
Whatever it is, but you are in Metro Manila area.
That's right, po.
Metro Manila area is an avalanche and multiple talent agency we have there. And ang talent agency natin, ang artist agency na to ay nag-iisa lang sa Montalban, pangalawa sa Rizal. Pangalawa sa Rizal.
Talaga po.
We are composed of 12 stockholders.
Really? Very nice to hear from you, sir.
And
Where is Angel?
we are very proud that we are registered in the Securities and Exchange Commission compared to the other talent agency registered only in DTI, which is business permit.
Yeah, I know that.
DTI is a business permit,
I know
but
that.
Registration Securities and Exchange Commission is still done to be registered. Napakahirap mag-register.
Because it costs a lot.
Yes, at a lot of documents.
Lot of documents and money.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, kasi
Our capitalization is 5 million and we paid 5 million for our talent agencies.
I know that, sir. I know that. Because involved po ako sa isang company na ako yung corporate secretary.
Yes.
So, there's a lot of documents needed.
So maybe kasi ang mga vlogger sa Pilipinas ay walang mga destination. Kanya-kanya sila. Kanya-kanya sila ng content, kanya-kanya tayo ng content, walang destination. Ibig sabihin ng walang destination, kanya-kanya ng kita. Kanya-kanya rin ang padala ng YouTube sa kanila ng pera. But our artist agency is, we conceptualize in a very good way. That's why this resolution number 2024-001, binago ko lahat. Because instead of board of directors ang ginawa kong board of manager because all of us 12 become talent manager itself.
I see.
Okay. Let's proceed on the next page. So, makikita mo sa next page, sir. Turn to next page. So, makikita mo dito, ako number 1, Abdubadi Ingarad sa Hakbong. Ito, board of manager ako sa pageant and blogging industries. So, when you say talent, nag-iisa lang ang talent. It is acting, dancing, singing, and modeling. When you say artist agency, napakalawak ng sakop arts, recreation, and entertainment industry. Sakop lahat. So, as you can see here, Francisco Militante III, Board of Manager. Ibig sabihin, talent manager siya. Talent manager kami na music, athlete, and sports industry. We are talking industries, not only a one sector. Not only one blogging, but the entire blogger is an industry. Okay.
I understand.
John Michael Ramos, BOM for Showbiz and Sports Industries. As we know, ang talent agency kasi familiar lang sa showbiz. Familiar lang showbiz ang talent agency. Kapag ka ng-talent agency ka, pumasok ka talent agency, automatic, nasa showbiz industry ka. Which is very, very wrong. Because artist is a craftsmanship of entire life. Hindi lang sa showbiz. Napakaliit ng showbiz kapag artist sa pag-uusapan. John Michael Ko is a BOM for Showbiz and Sports Industries. Maribela is BOM for Advertisement Industry. When it's a BOM, it's a board of manager, at the same time, talent manager siya ng advertisement industry. So, Arlene Galliano Tew, BOM for Theater and Contemporary Industry. Joey Borromeo is BOM for Dance, Music, and Modeling Industry. Benedict Singpol is BOM for Creative Arts Industry. Jefferson is for BOM for Showbiz, Fashion, and Graphics Industries. Justy Pasitolin, BOM for Showbiz and Visual Arts Industries. Outside Gadon, BOM for Muslim Arts Industries. Alita Galliano Tew, BOM for Indigenous Art Industry. Wilin Sara Gia Barangan, she is Wilin Sara Gia Barangan, BOM for Abstract and Muslim Artists
really,
Industry.
no?
We are talking the industry in terms of arts, hindi lang talent. Kapag sinabi mong talent, it's an exclusive for the talent. Halimbawa, modeling talent niya. But when you say an artist, it's a modeling industry. The entire modeling scope of the industry is pasok sa artist. So, napakalawak ng artist industry. At napakahirap kayo pa-register. Ang dami-dami mong justification na kailangan. At namimili kami, so since we are now established and we are institutionalized and recognized in the whole world, kasi registered na, ay namimili kami ng well-craftsmanted person. Yung modeling talaga certified model. Hindi lang nagpo-model lang. When you say vlogging industry, namimili kami ng best vlogger. Hindi lang vlogging lang dyan. Camera lang dyan, vlogger na yun. Hindi ganon. May masasabi. Okay. Kasi when we launch this, is buong entertainment industry, magugulat sila. Kasi mga capable lahat yung mga talent. Hindi lang talent dyan na kami pa magre-rehearse, kami pa magpapa-acting workshop. Ay, we don't need that. Kailangan, versatile na siya.
Oh yes.
Pag
Well-crafted already.
Well-crafted already. Pag isabak mo sa showbiz, bigyan mo ng script, maka-deliver na siya. Pag isabak mo sa modeling, makarampa na siya. Hindi yung tuturuan pa. Diba? Kasi it's wasting time. Kapag magtuturo pa. Kaya nga sinabi ko sa kanya, nag-chat sa akin, sabi ko, ako po yung si Angel, anak ni Victoria, Nanay Victoria, at Nanay Willie. Sabi ko, mag-send ka nga ng set card at saka BTR. Sabi niya, anong set card at saka BTR? Sabi ko, hindi pala marunong ito. Sabi, akala ko nagbo-model ka. Why set card at saka BTR, hindi mo alam? So that's the requirements we have. Set card. Kapag hindi mo alam ang set card, hindi ka qualified. Kasi set card ang binibenta sa mga producer. Sabak mo yung set card.
Maybe she's coming here to be informed.
Yes.
Then that would be the time that he is going
She
to...
will know.
Yeah.
Yes. She will know everything.
Yeah. And she will prepare
And also, you will know everything from us.
Oh yeah, I know.
So, ang gusto ko, kapag makapasok ka dito, ay, have you seen the first page? Okay. Have you seen the first page? Meron kami pinapalakad kasi vacant yan, sinadyang vacant. Tatlong vacant yan.
Chief Marketing Officer.
At saka, Deputy National Auditor at National Project Officer. Okay, part 2 ng pag-usapan natin. Kapag gusto mong pumasok sa amin, pag-usapan natin na. Buti na po print ko to. Kasi magta-talent search kami sa Caloocan bukas. Magta-talent search kami sa Caloocan bukas. Kaya ito, antok na antok ako. Okay. Pag-usapan natin ang pinanggagalingan ng income namin. On that copy.
Yes.
So, panggagalingan ng source of income ng artist agency na to ay film and movie producer. Automatic na yan. Alam natin na kapag may film movie, may producer ka. So, doon ang gagaling yung pera. Then, advertisement, magpa-ad. Okay, tapos print and broadcast commercial. Tapos TV commercial and or program o TV program, ganon. Franchise in and franchise out. When you say franchise in, pag-usapan natin mamaya. Event and shows. Kapag ka magpapa-event, tatanggap ng pera ang artist agency kapag ka magpa-event. O mag-show. Kasi kapag ka-imbitahan, ang talent agency, may pera na budget. Di ba? Lahat ito, speaking of budget. So magkakapera ang talent artist agency. At magkakapera yung mga talent manager ng 12 talent manager ko. Kasi we are all managed by ourselves. Okay. So ito, number 3, we have 3 choices here. merong authorized tayo bumuo ng Artist Directors Group. Ang Artist Directors Group, isa na yung vlogger. Certified vlogger, hindi lang nagpa-vlog. Okay. Kapag ka maging member ka dito, maging in-house director ka.